Hi YouTube friends, I'm Jonah, and today's tutorial how I open my pool for the summer. So it's now the first week of May and it's time to open up the pool. And as you can see, my winter cover is still on and the pool is kind of green. But that doesn't matter because what counts is what's underneath. So the first thing I do is empty the stagnant water from the winter cover. And with the help of my brothers and my neighbor and friend, we put it away in a container until September. And if you want to learn how to properly take off your winter cover and storage, check out my thumbnail link at the end of this video. And take a look at the pool. Looks pretty good. So if you properly close your pool in September, it should look like this. It should not be green. But if it is green, check out my thumbnail link at the end of this video. How to make your green pool crystal clear again. So let's open up our skimmer and see what we have. Notice all that standing water? Now it's time to take out the shop vac. Then we unscrew the gizmo by rotating counterclockwise. Whoa, notice all that red antifreeze? We also have to shop vac that. Now I grab my skimmer basket and I put a sock in it. If you don't have a sock for your skimmer, I suggest you get one. And if you want to know the advantages of having a sock, check out the thumbnail link at the end of this video. Then I throw in one puck into my skimmer basket. Some people may not agree with this, but I've been doing it for 20 years and I haven't had any problems. Now it's time to go into the jets and undo the plugs. Then I go into my pump and recover my two plugs. So after you close your pool in September, always leave your plugs inside the basket so you'll never lose them. And here's the position for the first plug. And here's the other position for the second plug. And I give a quick tighten with my screwdriver. Now it's time to fill the pump with water and fill it to the rim without overflowing. Always remember, never start the pump without water. Now let's close the lid and tighten the screws. Notice, your dial should say in winter position. Then we rotate the dial into filter position. Then I checked my pressure dial, but it seems to be broken, so I'll be replacing that in my next video. Double check to make sure your unions or connections are tight. Make sure your valve handle is in the skimmer position. And this would mean that your drain should be in the off position. Make sure your sand filter drain plug is on and it's tight. Now I'm just waiting for the pool to fill up. Notice that skimmer window? I'm just waiting for the water to fill up halfway. And there you go, that's perfect. If the water level is not high enough, the pump will be sucking air. Then I install the eyeballs on the jets. Notice, the smaller hole on the eyeball faces outside. Then just screw it in clockwise position. And keep adjusting the eyeball so you get the proper angles of the jets. I like a nice 45-degree angle so the water is pushed around the pool in a circular motion and into the skimmer. Then I install my deep end ladder. And I turn on the pump. And because the lines are empty and also the sand filter is empty, it took me about 2 to 3 minutes the pump to prime. And oops, there it is. And notice all the bubbles, so give it another 30 seconds to a minute and it should clear up. And there it is, no more air bubbles. The pump is working perfect and it's doing its job. Now let's take a look at our skimmer, and looking good. And notice our jets. This is also normal. Give it about 3 to 5 minutes and it will clear up. And if your pool has some debris at the bottom, this is a good time now to vacuum and backwash your pool. And if you want to learn how to vacuum and backwash your pool, check out the end of this video for my thumbnail link. And here's my secret for a crystal clear pool. It's called Sea Pool and Spa. A workmate named Kevin mentioned this to me a few years back, and I've been using it ever since. So the size of my pool is 16 by 32 feet, and it says right here 9 scoops for opening up the pool. So if you liked my video and it's helped you out, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you always get my latest videos. And as always, thanks for watching.